गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं संजय गुप्ता एंड वेलकम टू कॉर्पोरेट धर्मा, वेयर एंशिएंट विजडम मीट्स टुडेज लीडरशिप realities. It is raining very heavily outside. I am giving you a real scenario. Many professionals roam with so-called powerful circles, agree even when they know it is not right, and try to build networks even at the cost of self-respect and sometimes organization goals also. They try to be present in every influential meeting, marking visibility as their biggest strength. Some even believe यही है उनकी सस्टेनेबिलिटी का असली फॉर्मूला, that being seen, being heard, being around the right people might protect their weaknesses. But here's the question, can this really build credibility, or does it only make you a shadow leader standing tall on borrowed light? And here is where the reality comes in. Decision makers see sharper than we think. They may listen to loud presence, but when it comes to recognition and respect, they normally reward contribution, not nice. Visibility may be a catalyst in sustaining you, but it does not guarantee your actual growth. It is very important to note that as you mature in your career, your legacy is judged not by how visible you are, but by how much value you created. And this is not just my observation, it is timeless wisdom. In Bhagavad Gita, chapter 3, verse 30, Krishna reminds us, not every action needs an audience. When intent is pure and ego is absent, value shines longer than visibility. History also shows us this clarity. Think of Dr. Verghese Kurian, the father of India's White Revolution. He was not chasing limelight. He was not sitting in every power circle, but by empowering farmers, building Amul as a cooperative model, and focusing on contribution rather than credit, he made India the world's largest milk producer. Contrast this with professionals who spend their energy staying visible. They attached themselves to influence, hoarded credit from real contributors, and looked powerful in the short run, but when they left, their names faded. Korean's legacy continues because it was built on contribution, not credit. And even research backs this. As per EY Global Leadership Forecast 2022, 74% of senior executives said they value consistent delivery and authenticity over self-promotion when selecting future leaders. Boards may notice visibility in the short run, but succession, trust, and legacy rest only on sustained values. Some of the Dharma takeaways. Visibility may start your journey, but contribution sustains it. Building influence to hide weaknesses is fragile. Building value is permanent. Leadership respects silent creators more than loud presenters. True credibility is never borrowed. It is earned through consistent impact. So pause and reflect. Are you chasing visibility through credit taking or building credibility through contribution? Because ultimately, visibility may open doors, but only value keeps them open. मैं हूं संजय गुप्ता, मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में. थैंक यू सो मच. टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ.